everyone, so there's gonna be a huge sale on Amazon on 26th, 27th and 28th November. If you guys want to check the deals, please go in the description box below and check that, and let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to Makeup and Fashion Diaries. So today's video is gonna be a get ready with me. I haven't done this since so long, I can't even remember. So I wanted to show you guys a very pretty wedding makeup look. If you are gonna be attending a wedding, this makeup will be perfect for you. And also, as you can see, I am breaking out a lot. I don't know what's wrong with my skin, but I'm gonna be taking some medicine for this because it's like too much for me and I'm not able to shoot because of these pimples, but it's alright. This happens to all of us. So yeah, I'm not gonna waste any time and let's jump right into the video. If you guys wanna see this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna be using is this Aquaholic primer by Sugar Cosmetics. And I'm gonna be putting a very generous amount. This primer is really lightweight, feels really watery when you apply. So I'm gonna put that on my face and massage it in. Also, don't forget your neck. So now I'm gonna do my foundation. I'll be taking this foundation. This is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 310 Sun Beige. This is my shade and I just love this foundation. It's been my favorite since so long. So I'm gonna put that on back of my hand. And with the help of a wet sponge, I'm going to spread that on my face. So I'm going to spread that on my face. It might look a little lighter right now, but I'm going to bronze up my skin, so don't worry about that. And also don't forget the neck. This foundation is so lightweight and feels like skin. So that's why I love this foundation. Okay, so next step is going to be my concealer. And for that I'm going to be taking the very old LA Pro Conceal, and this is in the shade Pure Beige. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a really generous amount on underneath my eyes, a little bit on my chin, and also I'll just cover my spots. So now with the help of a wet sponge, I'm going to spread this concealer really nicely underneath my eyes. And also whatever is left on my sponge, I'm going to put that on my eyelids and make them ready for some eyeshadow. And then I'm going to do my chin and wherever I applied the concealer for my zits. This concealer is also really lightweight and feels really good when you apply it on your face. Now to set my under eyes, I'm going to be using this Seri loose powder. So this is a very cool packaging. This has the compact and then there's this packaging which is like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the packaging and take the loose powder to set my under eyes. As you can see, the powder has a little bit of color in it. So I'm going to just take a small brush and always make sure that there are no lines underneath your eyes when you're setting your concealer, because you don't want to set the lines. I'm going to lightly tap the powder underneath my eyes. I'm not baking or anything, so I'm just going to take it away instantly. And I'm also going to take that powder on my eyelids. Okay, so now moving on to the eyes. So I'm going to be using this NK Poison Apple palette. This has such gorgeous color in it. So I'm going to lean towards this nude shade, then the golden one, and probably I'll use one of the reds just to give some pop of color. Firstly, I'm going to take this nude shade right here and I'm going to cover my eyelids with that shade just to make sure it's nicely set and there is no creasing. So now I'm thinking to take this red shade right here and I'm gonna just put that very slightly in my crease and then blend it really nicely. These shadows are so pigmented. I love this palette and it is so affordable that I can't even tell you guys. This is just for like 300 bucks or 400, but this works so good and it totally feels like high-end. So yeah, I'm just gonna take that red shade in my crease and blend it really nicely. So I'm gonna tone this down a little bit. So I'm gonna take a clean brush and dip it into the nude shade and just kind of lighten the eyeshadow a little bit and blend it even more. So now time for some shimmer shade. So I'm going to be picking this golden shade right here and I'm going to put that on my lids. So I'm going to wet the brush a little bit just to make sure that the color adheres to my eyes really nicely. So once I'm happy with my lid shade, I'm going to go in with the brush which has red color and very slightly I'm just going to try to blend this. And then one last time I'm going to go in with the brush which doesn't have any product. So I'm skipping the usual black liner and I'm thinking to take this maroon shade as my liner. So let's see how that looks. So I'm going to dip my brush again in some spray and wet it. And then I'm going to pick this shade and use this as my liner. So pretty, like so. I'm just loving how this look is turning out. So now I'm gonna do my lower lash line, and for that I'm gonna take this red shade right here and just run it underneath my lower lash line. And once I have that, I'm gonna grab this maroon shade which I used as my liner, and I'm gonna just apply that underneath my lower lash line and try to blend it with the red I've just applied. So now I'm going to be using this Sugar Black Kajal to put it in my waterline, and also I'm going to do my upper waterline. So yes, the eyes are complete. Now I'm going to put some falsies, because if you're going for a wedding and if you're not putting some eyelashes, I think the look will be incomplete. So I'm going to pop on some falsies, come back for the lipstick and some face makeup. Okay, so the falsies are on, and now I'm going to be completing my face makeup, and for that I'm going to be taking this Sugar face palette. This is called their Contour Day Force face palette, and this is in the shade 03 Fierce Feet. I'm going to be taking this contouring shade and I'll just start contouring wherever I always do. So I do my chin, my jawline, so I'm just gonna contour my face very slightly, and also sides of my forehead and a little bit on my forehead because my forehead is really big. Take a small brush to do my nose contour, and I'm just gonna do that. And again with the help of the big blush, I'll just blend it. For my blush, I'm going to be taking this shade. This is a very pretty corally shade. I'm just going to apply that on apple of my cheeks, and then I'm going to be taking this brush which doesn't have any product, and I'm just going to blend that together. Now to highlight my face, I'm going to be using this fan brush, and again I'm going to pick this highlighter. And I'm going to do a little bit on my nose and on the bridge of my nose. And also I'm going to take the highlight and highlight my brow bone. So yes, we are done, and now I'm going to do my lipstick. And for my lipstick today, I'm going to be using the Sugar Cosmetic lipstick in the Teak Mystique shade. Such a gorgeous color. So that completes this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. So this was such an easy and glamorous look. So if you guys try this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your recreations. If you guys enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Also ring the bell icon so that way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And all the products will be listed in the description box below, so don't forget to check that. And I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.